Welcome to the Fit and Funded Academy. Hi, I'm Bay, CEO of the Fit and Funded Academy, where personal power meets financial freedom. We're here to help you repair and build your credit, access funds, invest in your business. So get ready to elevate your financial journey with us. We'll create general wealth and unlock the benefits that this community offers. So let me tell you how to maximize your experience. The best way to take advantage of this community is to try all methods and engage with others. Don't hesitate to ask questions and share your insights. Our group rules are as follows: no selling in the DMs, no spamming the community feed, and no self promotion. Violating these rules may result in removal from the group. So let's keep this positive and supportive for everyone. To get started, please introduce yourself in the comments. Let us know your name, where you're from, your biggest strength, your biggest weakness, what you do, and what your goal is in the community. You will also see a link that is a form that you can complete that will only be seen by my team or myself that'll help you reach your credit repair goals. Thank you for joining, and we look forward to you participating in our community.